Hello and welcome to the brief guide on how to use the report and restore feature in the SEOKart app. Navigate to the left-hand side menu panel and proceed to the Help section. Then, click on the Report and Restore tab. This feature enables you to receive monthly or weekly reports and restore any modifications made to your store's web pages. Here, you'll see a toggle which you can switch on to receive weekly or monthly reports. Now let's look at how to generate a report for web pages or restore any changes made. Using the drop-down menu, you can select the type of page you wish to restore or get a report for. Next, choose a date range from the predefined options like today, yesterday, or the last 7 days. You can also define a specific date range. Click on OK to save your chosen date range. You can select specific pages for report and restore. Next, select fields you want to restore or get a report, such as the name or meta description, for example. To restore changes, click on the Restore button. You have the option to restore the pages to their oldest version or restore the most recent changes. To generate a report, click on the Report button. The report should appear momentarily. Refresh the page if required. The status is currently showing pending, but once it's completed, you can download it using the Download button. Lastly, you can check the Restore history from the Restore tab, and that's how you use the Report and Restore feature.